How to white label accessories and build your brand. Shoes, bags, wallets, and belts. Hey entrepreneurs, are you ready to create your own brand of accessories without designing them? Today, I'm showing you how to white label high-quality shoes, handbags, wallets, and belts, where the best factories are, and step-by-step how to brand them with your logo and sell them as your own products. If you want fashion products with your name on them, you're in the right place. Let's go! What is white labeling? First, what exactly is white labeling? White label products are made by a manufacturer and sold to you to brand and sell as your own. The product is already made, you just customize it with your logo, packaging, and brand identity. You skip the production headaches such as designing and creating technical drawings and focus on marketing and sales. Factory makes the product. You add your brand, you sell it. Best countries for accessory manufacturing. Different accessories are best made in different countries. Here's how global manufacturing lines up. Shoes, Vietnam and China. Quality leather and performance shoes. Handbags and wallets. Italy for premium leather. China for affordable and scalable options. Belts, India and China. Strong leather and customizable hardware. Tip: high-end demand. Think Italian factories. Budget-friendly plus scalable. China and Vietnam. Step 1. Find factories. Let's find real factories. The best way to source manufacturers is 1. Online platforms. Alibaba, global sources, made in China. Search white label shoes, white label handbags, OEM accessories. 2. Trade shows and B2B networks. Canton Fair, China. MIPIL, Italy Leather Show. Vietnam Leather and Footwear Expo. 3. Manufacturer directories and agents. Sourcify. Journey business plans. Local sourcing agents. On-screen search terms. White label sneakers. OEM leather handbags. Custom belts manufacturer. Once you find some factories, you check product quality, MOQ, minimum order quantity, pricing, and logo customization capabilities. Step 2. Choose products. Now it's time to select your actual products. You shouldn't just order the first thing you see. Ask yourself, who are my customers? What price point am I targeting? What materials do I want? Leather, vegan leather, canvas. For shoes, choose 5 styles: sneakers, loafers, casual, sandals, dress shoes. For bags, choose mini bags, totes, crossbodies. Wallets, men's bifold, women's clutch. Belts, classic leather, woven, reversible. Order samples first. That's the key step before placing a big purchase. Step 3. Order samples and approve quality. Sample orders are your secret weapon, don't skip them. Order samples from at least 3 factories, then compare. Stitching, quality materials. Comfort, for shoes, hardware, zippers, buckles. Pay attention to fit and finish. This is where you decide which factory will be your long-term partner. Step 4. Add your logo and branding. Once you choose a factory, it's time to make it your product. Here's the process. 1. Provide logo files. Send the factory vector or high-resolution logo, .ai, .eps, .png. Pro tip, always use vector files so the logo prints cleanly. 2. Choose branding type. Embroidery, leather embossing, metal logo plates, screen print. 3. Confirm placement on shoes, tongue, heel tab, sole. Bags, front, zipper inserts. Wallets, inside and outside logos. Belts, buckle engraving. Factories will send mock-ups for approval before production begins. Step 5. Place your order and logistics. Once your logo is approved and samples finalized, you place your full order. Checklist. Confirm MOQ, confirm lead time, pay deposit, usually 30 to 50%. Arrange shipping, air or sea. Keep in mind, air equals faster, more expensive. Sea equals cheaper, but slower. Tool tips. Use freight forwarders like Flexport, DHL, Global Forwarding, local freight agents. Step 6. Price and sell. Now you have products with your brand. Next is selling. Pricing formula, cost of goods, times 2.5 to 3 equals retail price. Examples. Shoes that cost $20 wholesale, sell $49 to $59. Handbags costing $15, sell $39 to $69. Wallet $7, sell $19 to $29. Belts $8, sell $19 to $35. List products online, Shopify, Instagram, TikTok Shop, and you are ready to launch. There you have it, how to source white label accessories, pick the right products from the best countries, and add your logo and brand to sell. Shoes to Vietnam and China, bags and wallets to Italy, premium, and China, belts to India, and China. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more business building videos.